Am I supposed to talk? Oh my goodness, I'm unboxing this lovely thingy here. Guess what it is, guys? Guess what I'm unboxing? Imagine it's been in this house for 2 days. I haven't opened it. Anyway, I need prayers. People have told me you're sitting down and opening this thing, so let's open it together. See what goodies are in here. Goodies, goodies, goodies. Returns. Please contact your most convenient location or nearest JB Hi-Fi to obtain a copy of your tax invoice, blah, 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 blah. Guess what it is, guys? Please guess. Please guess. Just guess what it is. Huh? It's a bomb. Surely it's not a bomb.
But we can't put on the internet.
It's a bomb. What?
It's a bomb.
It's not a bomb. Oh my God, it's not. Where would I get one from?
It's like usual, yeah.
Gosh. I don't even know what
I
I'm
don't
doing.
know shit.
Oh gosh, I'm such, oh my God, I'm so ancient. Look, I need to open like this. There we go. Why was I struggling? Oh my God, Anna, you need prayers. So well cushioned. These are all cushioning, imagine. All this is cushioning. This is cushioning.
Yeah,
This is cushioning. This is cushioning. Cushioning, cushioning. There we go, guys. That's my new MacBook Pro. That's what I'm unboxing tonight. Am I supposed to do here or what am I supposed to do? Let's see. Follow instructions. I'm not good at following instructions. You know that. I think I'm supposed to. Like this. Ah, maybe. Like this. Should I lift this thing? This side. Open it. Okay. I told you guys I'm ancient. And then I have to do the same thing again. As okay, and then I need to do this, right? Oh yes, guys. Gosh, you know when we were growing up, we used to doing things the hard way. So when things are easily done like this, you start wondering why. Why are they so? This thing is so well padded, guys. So well cushioned. I like that. Ooh, voila, voila, voila. There we go. Guess what it is? Which one it is? Let's see. Ooh. Ouch. Keep going. Okay. I'm just gonna rip it off because I'm not used to order. Okay, so there we go. It's my new baby. It's my new thingy. Wait, let me enjoy my new thing. It's so smooth and slick. Problem is, I'm such not a MacBook person. I'm going to be in a lot of trouble using it. So, oh, sorry. There we go. So there it is. There it is. There it is. Look how compact it is. It's heavy though. It's compact. I think it's like 3.6. There we go. Yeah. can I tell you what it is? Where's the specifications? It's inside. Okay. It's talking. That's my new baby. What is it saying? What's that? Hello, Anna. Hi, Anna. Hey, nice to meet you. Okay. All right. So there we go. I hope I get used to it. Unajua mambo na my iPhones na mazujui nini na manini. It's work in progress. So what's in here? What's supposed to be in here? Or the MacBook, whatever, the Apple things. That's the charger. So well packaged. And yeah, that's the charger. All done. All done. All done. Back to normal life. Thank you for unboxing my first MacBook. Thank you. With me. Bye bye. Doodles, doodles.